People with zero coding experience are building and selling AI agents and making really good money. Really good money. And you can too. Today, I'm going to show you what you can do with AI agents, how to build them with N8N, showing you 3 profitable examples, how to sell them to local businesses, and how to deploy them and deliver them to clients in 3 different ways. And make sure you watch till the end because I'll teach you how to copy and paste exact workflows for free so you can test them yourself. Ready? Let's go! An AI agent is a digital worker that completes tasks on its own. And it's basically made up of 5 core parts. The LLM, which is like the brain doing the reasoning, the prompt or the instructions telling the agent what to do, knowledge or the context it needs, like FAQs, pricing, or customer data, memory, so it remembers past interactions and what's already happened, and tools, which let the agent actually take actions in the online world. Before we jump into the recipe of how to build AI agents, let's spice things up. The most important tool you need to build AI agents is your automation platform, like Make, Zapier, or N8N, because they are the ones that connect everything together. Think of them like flowcharts where every step becomes an action. Real data, call an AI model, send an email, update a CRM, and so on. Now, you could skip the automation tools and build simpler AI agents using just ChatGPT or other chatbots, but the agent will be much more limited. So I recommend N8N because it gives you way more flexibility and control. And of course, Hostinger's self-hosted setup because it gives you a dedicated environment without having to deal with managing a server yourself. I'll leave a link in the description and a coupon code if you want to check it out. With that being said, you will need a reasoning model like GPT or Claude to actually process the data and make decisions. Now, GPT is great for structured tasks, general purpose workflows, and mixes well with tools, while Claude performs very well with long context and writing. But honestly, both are solid. Now, you'll also need a CRM like HubSpot or Go High Level, which is where the business's leads, contacts, and deals will live, and where your AI agent can automatically update records and trigger actions. And for storage and memory, you can use something simple, like Airtable or Google Sheets. So with that setup in place, let's build 3 AI agents together. I picked 3 of the most popular ones people are paying for right now, and tastes like a subscribe button. Make sure you're subscribed. We release videos like this every week. And one more thing. At Hostinger, we've also built a full team of AI agents that users can connect to 1,000+ external apps like Google Sheets, Slack, and HubSpot directly from the chat. But that's a story for another video. Let me know in the comments if you want more. And now, let's start building those agents. Alright, so the first AI agent we're building is for lead qualification and follow-up. The problem businesses have right now is every time a new lead comes in, someone has to manually read the submission, figure out if the lead is worth pursuing, write a follow-up email, and update the CRM, which can easily take 20 to 30 minutes per lead. And yes, tools like HubSpot can already automate some basic lead scoring based on form fields. But a lot of businesses still need manual review because people give incomplete or incorrect answers in forms. Plus, an AI agent can handle more nuanced reasoning and reduce manual review. So the workflow would start with a trigger node connected to the business's website form, whether that's Typeform, HubSpot form, or CRM. And as soon as a lead comes in, the workflow activates automatically. By the way, you can design all of this using N8N's visual canvas and drag and drop trigger nodes, and even with N8N AI, which is honestly life-changing. The first step in the sequence is a data cleanup and formatting node inside of N8N, where you'd add the lead information like name, email, company, budget, timeline, and inquiry details, so the AI receives structured data. But as I'd say, people tend to lie, so instead of just scoring the lead based on form answers, the workflow can also validate the business automatically. For example, let's say you sell a tool for e-commerce stores that gets between 1,000 to 5,000 monthly visitors and don't currently have a wish list feature. The agent can visit the website the lead submitted, check whether it's actually an e-commerce store, connect to a tool to estimate traffic, and even scan product pages to see if a wish list button exists. Then, all of that data gets sent directly to OpenAI through the OpenAI node or API inside of N8N. And you'd use a prompt like this. Based on this company's traffic, website structure, and business fit, score this lead from 1 to 10. Explain the reasoning briefly and recommend the next action. Now you need to define the qualification criteria ahead of time, so the AI doesn't randomly decide whether a lead is good or bad. For example, adequate monthly traffic equals 2 points. E-commerce store detected is 2 points. Missing features detected is 1 point, and so on and so forth. The AI then returns a structured response containing a lead score, reasoning, and priority level. And after that, you use an if node in N8N to branch the workflow automatically based on the lead score. Now, if the lead is high quality, the workflow moves down the qualified branch. From there, it automatically updates the CRM, whether that's HubSpot, Salesforce, or a different tool, and then it generates a personalized follow-up email using OpenAI, and that email gets sent instantly through your email provider. Now, at the same time, the sales team gets a Slack notification so they can jump on it immediately, and the prospect is automatically sent a Calendly booking link so they can schedule a call right away. Now, if the lead is lower quality, it goes down a different branch. Instead of being ignored or handled manually, the agent tags them properly inside of the CRM, adds them into a nurture sequence, and optionally sends a softer educational email that's also generated by AI. Now, if this feels like a lot, you can also copy this workflow that I've left in the description. All right, the second AI agent is a proposal generator. And if you've ever pitched clients before, you know how time-consuming this process can be. You finish a discovery call, and then someone has to sit down and manually write the proposal from scratch. So let's automate it using N8N. Now, the workflow starts right after the discovery call. The meeting is transcribed automatically with the meeting recorder, and the transcript is sent into N8N. From there, the workflow extracts important information from the conversation, like the client's problem and goal, budget and timeline, so the AI receives structured context. This data is then sent to OpenAI with a structured prompt that tells the AI exactly how to generate the proposal. But instead of generating a document from scratch, the AI fills a pre-made template, which is created once by the business and includes the fixed parts like company info, services, and pricing structure. Right after that, the AI only fills in the client-specific parts, like their problem, the proposed solution, scope, and timeline. And N8N sends the output into a document or presentation template, so the proposal already looks clean, branded, and professionally formatted. And the final result can be exported as a PDF or a pitch deck. You can even have the workflow send a Slack notification to the team saying the proposal is ready for review. And the sales rep would just have to open the document, review the draft, adjust the pricing if needed, and send it directly to the client. And in more advanced setups, the AI agent can even write the email for you and save it as a draft. So all you have to do in this case is give it a final check and just hit send. Again, if you need this workflow, you can find it in the description box below. All right, and the third AI agent I'm going to show you is how to build a sales representative. Right now, when businesses get inbound leads and conversations start happening over email, those conversations usually require a human to manually respond, then follow up, and answer questions, and finally push the lead toward booking. And the problem is, those replies often happen hours or days later, which kills momentum and loses deals. So this AI agent handles the conversation end-to-end automatically, until that lead is ready for a human sales rep. The workflow starts with a trigger, which can either be a branded new inbound lead submission or an inbound email reply from an existing lead. That immediately activates an N8N workflow, and the first thing it does is pull the full conversation history from Airtable so the AI always has memory and context. Now, every message that gets sent or received is logged into Airtable automatically, and that prevents the AI from repeating itself and allows it to continue conversations naturally over time. Then the workflow retrieves context from the business's knowledge base, things like FAQs, service details, price ranges, guarantees, offer positioning, etc., etc. That information gets included in the AI prompt so the agent only answers within approved company guidelines. This is something you need to feed. like services, pricing ranges, positioning, tone of voice, and value proposition. You can also include approved responses and common objections so the agent knows how to handle more complex queries like pricing concerns and comparison questions. Then the lead message, conversion history, and knowledge-based context are sent directly into OpenAI with a system prompt like this one. The AI then determines the next action automatically. And depending on the situation, the agent can answer questions, handle objections, qualify the lead, follow up automatically, send reminders, provide the booking link, or escalate the conversation to a human. The workflow sends the reply automatically through Gmail or Outlook. Then the entire exchange gets logged back into Airtable so the memory layer stays updated continuously. Now, if the lead becomes sales qualified or the conversation reaches a point where the AI shouldn't continue, N8N automatically escalates the lead to a human rep using Slack notifications, CRM updates, or internal alerts. Now, if not, then the workflow continues with automated follow-up sequences over time using scheduled N8N triggers. So instead of sales reps manually responding to every inbound email conversation, the AI handles qualification, nurturing, objection handling, and booking automatically until a human is actually needed. The final workflow and prompts are all in the description below, so don't forget to grab them. Cool! Now you know how to build AI agents. The next step is learning how to actually sell them. My recommendation is try not to build 10 different agents at once, and instead pick one use case, get really good at it, and build a working version. Then, record a quick Loom demo showing the problem it solves and what happens when the workflow runs. From there, you can either reach out directly to businesses with that demo or post it on LinkedIn or inside relevant communities. Now, I'd recommend that you niche down to a specific industry and city or area, and then look for businesses that deal with a lot of repetitive admin work. For example, local agencies, law firms, real estate teams, consultants, small B2B companies with sales teams, or even marketing agencies building systems for their own clients. Once someone is interested, they can book a quick call with you via email, website, or a booking link from your demo. Now, when you finally get on that call, you should try to understand how their business currently works instead of going into full sales mode.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening!
Now, you can ask simple questions like these ones on the screen right now, and as they answer them, take notes and look for repetitive work. Then, map their process out step by step, find the bottleneck, and put a number on it, which, spoiler alert, is basically the value of your AI agent. Now let's do the return on investment math. Say a business gets about 50 leads a week. Their sales coordinator probably spends about 20 minutes per lead on manual triage, follow-ups, and CRM updates, which could take over 16 hours a week. Now, assume a cost of around $30 per hour. That's roughly $25,000 a year. I bet a $10,000 project fee wouldn't feel that expensive anymore. And that's pretty much what it comes down to when laying out your pricing. For a single agent build, you could easily charge anything from $2,000 to $5,000 depending on complexity. And for a multi-agent system, from $5,000 and up. Plus, you could offer a monthly retainer for maintenance, updates, and monitoring. Whatever your fees are though, you should always tie them to your return on investment, not the hours it took you to build the AI agent. Now, when it comes to delivering an AI agent built with N8N to a client, there are 3 ways you can do this. The simplest method is exporting the workflow as a JSON file. You just have to open the workflow in N8N, export it, and send the file to the client. Then they import it directly into their own N8N, either self-hosted or N8N Cloud. If you do this though, keep in mind that credentials like OpenAI keys, CRM access, and APIs are not included in the export. So in a real client project, you would actually set those up for them and deliver a fully working system instead of leaving them to configure it themselves. Now, another option is fully hosting the AI agent for the client. Instead of just handing over the files, you deploy the entire system for them using a VPS through a provider like Hostinger. In this setup, you install N8N, deploy the workflows, connect all the APIs, and configure everything for the client. You own the setup, and they simply pay for access to the system. As I mentioned before, you have all this information available in the description box down below, as well as a special coupon code. Now, the final option is embedding your AI agent into a front end using a webhook in N8N. The webhook acts as an API endpoint that receives data from a single interface like Slack, Bubble, or a custom dashboard, and then triggers your workflow in the background. The AI then processes the request, runs the logic, and performs actions like updating CRMs or generating responses. And the result is either sent back to the interface or delivered through channels like email or Slack. Now, the client would never interact with N8N directly, they only use the front end. And the webhook is typically secured, so only approved users can trigger it. Now it's your turn to build and sell AI agents. Focus on one type, build it using our workflows, and follow the steps I've just given you to sell it to local businesses. You got this. And if you want to dive even deeper into other applications of AI agents, subscribe to our channel. And don't miss our video on AI Agentic Mail. And you'll see how it connects email, code, and AI agents so systems can interact with inboxes in real time and not just humans.